Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Ranger leaf springs. Start by safely lifting the truck, supporting with jack stands, and removing the wheel to access the leaf pack. Loosen U-bolts, detach shock and shackle bolts, and remove the old springs. Inspect axle, shackles, and bushings, then install new springs, torque bolts to spec, reattach shocks, lower vehicle, and test drive to confirm correct ride height and handling. Before you start, lay out tools in reach and double-check replacement parts to avoid surprises. Remove wheels, support the axle with a secondary jack, and back off all mounting hardware before fully removing any bolts. Keep fasteners in labeled containers and take photos for reference while disassembling. Clean contact surfaces and inspect hanger mounts so new springs sit flush, then proceed methodically to reduce mistakes and speed up reassembly. Remove U-bolts after supporting the axle and carefully drop the axle away from the spring pack. Transfer new springs with fresh bushings into position, loosely install hangers and shackles, then align axle and gradually tighten U-bolts. Use a torque wrench to reach specified values and reattach shocks securely. Lower the truck slowly, settle suspension under load, and perform a short test drive to confirm ride height, alignment feel, and absence of unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.